Happy Thursday, everyone. Obviously, the weather has been a little bit challenging over the last few days, especially last night into early this morning. We've got this low pressure system, and it's causing quite a bit of a stir in southern Oregon and northern California. You can see where a lot of the energy is coming in out there. And usually when you see these systems, especially flowing in from the south, tends to be a little bit warmer. And on average, the system has been a little bit warmer. A lot of areas that maybe saw snow earlier this week, not quite seeing as much snow today. Well, other areas, Medford, Grants Pass, specifically a lot of the valleys out towards Cave Junction, for example, and even Ashland. Well, you saw a little bit of snow over the last 24 hours, and the potential is still out there because we also have some cold air mixing in. The low itself off to the north, you get counterclockwise flow around the low. Some of that cold air staying up at those higher elevations, but when you have heavier showers, and I mentioned this a few times this week, but when you have heavier showers, it tends to bring the cold air with it. It tends to cool down the air around it. You get that combination, and the colder it gets, closer you get to seeing snowfall, and that's exactly what we're seeing early this morning in particular areas like the Rogue Valley, for example. Looking over the last few hours into late last night, we do have some snow mixing in at times, very brief periods of time, but just long enough and just cold enough. Even Brookings, the Brookings Airport, getting reports of snow. Nothing that's really going to stick around through the entire day, but the potential has been out there, and that's causing some travel concerns throughout the area. Zoom in a little bit more, giving you an idea of what the morning has looked like. Early morning hours at times, parts of Medford seeing that potential snow out there. The green, of course, being rain, the blue being snow. You can see all of this shrinks, then gets bigger. It gets bigger when it's a little bit warmer out there. Up at these higher elevations, we're talking about 1,500 feet and above, seeing more towards snow. In terms of all of this combined, we do have some weather alerts to alert you about. You can see even the Grants Pass area, around Grants Pass that is, under a winter storm warning. Above 1,500 to 2,000 feet, you have the potential of heavy snow, especially in northern California near Mount Shasta with some gusty winds. On top of that, a winter weather advisory. Some of these same areas, about 1,000 to 1,500 feet involved in that, as low as 900 feet, which would include the Grants Pass area, could see 1 inch to 4 inches of snow possible over the next few hours. Really start to calm things down later in the day, mainly this morning, where we're seeing the effects of this system. And as we look a little further east of the Cascades, also a high wind warning continues. Winds out of the south 15 to 40 miles per hour, some gusty conditions up to 65 miles per hour. There's the system itself, the heaviest band of precipitation passing through probably before a lot of you are watching this, moving off to the east. And as it does, those showers will move off to the east, coming down to snow at those higher elevations. Still predicted to see some showers out there throughout the course of the day, but quickly as we get into the afternoon, still potential out there. Still a chance of some snow showers in the morning. Head into the afternoon, we'll start to break all of that apart. And as we do, start to see somewhat clearing conditions. The occasional chance of showers on Friday, but later today, if you have to travel into tomorrow, probably the time to do it, because later Friday into Saturday, a whole nother system on the way that arrives Saturday morning into the afternoon. For the coast today, showers and some breezy winds. Also a slight chance of thunderstorms continuing. Mostly cloudy later tonight with scattered showers continuing, but does lighten up just a bit compared to what we saw overnight. For the west valleys, rain and snow showers with cloudy skies, temperatures in the 30s and 40s. We're not warming up all that much today. Siskiyou County, heavy snow still possible. Most of this happening in the morning. A lot of us probably sleeping through it. And east of the Cascades, snow and breezy winds. Snow does arrive a little bit later, especially heavy snow in some areas of those higher elevations. Mostly cloudy tonight with scattered snow showers possible, but mostly tapering off. Now, for the most part, Friday is actually looking like a drier day. Really later Thursday into Friday. Rain and snow mainly in the morning today, but it's a fair amount, so we are watching for that. Do warm up a little bit as we head into the weekend, even Sunday. Possibly some sunshine out there. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, bringing a few more chances of showers, but it's looking like we're getting away from the real winter storms, trending more towards typical winter conditions. The same thing goes for the Klamath Basin. Temperatures warming up slightly as we head into the weekend. Bit of snow chances from time to time. Northern California, heaviest snow early this morning. Then we start to clear out, but snow showers do continue into Friday and Saturday. And out on the coast, heavy rain possible, some breezy winds as well. Friday, a little bit of more of a chance of showers. Saturday, another round of rain, and then Sunday, a little bit of sunshine mixing in with some cloud cover.